Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to our class that is e-business. Today we are in the next class. Today we are going to start with two topics that is mobile banking services and mobile ticketing. On these two topics, we are going to have a conversation. Please have a look on the screen as well as observe or listen properly to my words, which I am going to explain now. In the last class, we already discussed about what do you mean by mobile banking and what are the services you will get. Once again, it's just like an recapitalization of the subject knowledge. I'm just explaining or giving you the meaning and introduction of it. Mobile banking is a service that is going to be provided by a bank or other financial institutions that allows its customers to conduct financial transactions like depositing the money, transfer transactions took place from one account to another account remotely using a mobile device such as smartphones or tablets. Unlike the related internet banking, it uses software usually called an app, that means application, provided by the financial institutions for the purpose. Financial institutions can be a bank, or a private merchant bankers, or financial other institutions. Now, if you see here in the picture, you'll come to know that how we are in, because mobile is a device, an electronic device, where we are using the mobile by sitting at home. We are doing our banking. First, what do you mean by banking? Banking is nothing but a place where the transactions of a customer and the banks took place. That is called a banking. It can be depositing of the money or withdrawing of the money, issue of the checkbook or passbook, checking of the mini statement or monthly, quarterly, annually, are taking their PRS, all are depositing the money, are taking the locker and keeping some valuable goods. All those things took place. But now you can pay the amount. But as the technology was gradually increasing, you are easy to pay the payments with the help of the mobiles. In the last classes, we have discussed all these things: e-payment, how the payment will be paid with the help of the mobile. So like this we have done. If you see here, we are place is there where you are having the bank, but without having the currency in your pocket also you can go and do the shopping, where you can go to the hotel and you can have a good lunch, and you can go for the barcoding and you can scan, or you can go for the Google Pay. All this will comes under the mobile banking. So these are the services, that means transferring of the amount from your mobile or account to another person mobile or account. All the activities which are taking place with the help of the ATM card. On those days, in the olden days, we have to carry the currency. After a few days, again we have to carry the card like debit card or credit card, where we can have the scratch will be there, and we can take out the. I mean, we can do the shopping or some other transactions. But now, no card also needed. You are having the smartphone. It's enough for your mobile. You can with the help of it. Just a tip of the finger, you can just transfer or you can buy the goods what you need. Next, mobile banking is usually available on a 24-hour basis. Some financial institutions have restrictions on which accounts may be accessed through mobile banking, as well as a limit to the amount that can be transacted or to a particular date. For example, if I take an example of SBI Bank, if you want to go for who's having a saving account, they can't do the transaction on Sunday because Sunday is a bank holiday. Some restrictions will be there in some banks. So you can't go for the Google Pay. It won't go. The amount will not be go from your account to the depositor or another person to whom you want to transfer your amount. And mobile banking is dependent on the availability of an internet or data connection to the mobile device. That means not only we need a mobile device, apart from that, we need internet connection, and the data should also be there in it. Then only it will work on it. Now, mobile banking refers to the use of the mobile device to carry out transactions. The service is provided by some financial institutions, especially banks, as I've told you earlier. Mobile banking services can be categorized into the following. What are the things we can get? Account information we can access, what kind of transactions took place from which party to which party, how much amount you have invested in the share or equity share market or in the deposit or XYZ according to your personal usage. Support service will be there, content and news will be there. That means the updates of the bank of your account will be there on your mobile. We are having some, apart from that, what are the other requirements or things are taking place, just we'll have a look. That means what are the mobile banking services are taking place now. So first one is account information will be there, mini statements, checking of the account history from past 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, or from the starting of your bank. So you will get the passbook where you can get the data of the bank of your transactions, how much time you invest, deposit the money or transfer the money, to whom you have given the check, to whom the check got collapse or bonds, everything you will get within that information. You are having the mini statements whenever you want to go abroad, or if you are going to the bank ATM also you will get a mini statement. Nowadays what is happening in your mobile also, you can just check of a mini statement of a 1 week or 3 or 2 days what it may be. You'll get an alerts on account activity of passing or set thresholds, monitoring of your term deposit. What are the mobile phone will give the alert or the notification you'll get. You have to pay the EMI or you have to pay, like that. They will monitor you and they will guide you to your deposits. Access to loan statements, you can able to access your loan statements, what is going on and how much you have to pay, what is the rate of interest is going on. Till now you have paid some XYZ amount of 50 or 60% amount of loan, so still how much you have to pay from on which date and what sort of interest is taking place. All these things will be get from your mobile banking service. This is access to card statements. Mutual funds will take place, or equity statements. You will get the statements of your mutual funds or providential funds or equity share, what it may be. In which department you have access your equity shares or shares, what it may be. Insurance policy management. Not only that, you will come to know about your insurance policy. You will manage. You can go for the occurring and reoccurring of the process in the bank. Now you will get the support. What sort of support? You get the status of request for credit, including the mortgage approval, insurance coverage, check. Well, here check means that checkbook here. Okay, the spelling is I had just mentioned in the bracket, so don't get confused here. So your checkbook and card request can also be updated. You will come to know what sort of things are going on. Exchange of data, messages and email, including complaint submission and tracking. ATM location, with the help of the mobile you can come to know, you can trace where the nearby ATM is there from where you are standing or in your location side. Generally information such as finance related news, loyalty related offers, all these things you will come to know with the help of the banks. Now transactions will be there. That means what sort of transactions are taking place. Funds transfer between the customers link accounts, paying third parties including bill payments and third party funds transfers, check remote deposit, and what sort of investments is there, portfolio management services, real time stock, all these things are there. Next, yes. Now support in the sense, as I was saying you, that how the ATM content services will be there, loyalty will be there. Now mobile banking challenges. What are the challenges everyone should have to face while they are having the mobile banking in their mobile phones? So you can go for handset accessibility should be there, security is important, scalability and reliability should be there, application distribution should be there, personalization will be there. See, there is a chances if you are giving your mobile phone or data or password or pin to some other your friend, they can operate your account and they can, chances are there that misuse can be taking place in future. Now, it would be expected from the mobile application to support personalization such as preferred language, which language you are preferring, what is the time, date format will be there. Either you want to first keep year or month or day or date, everything you can have the format. Amount format, where you want to keep. First, you want to keep the balance, how it is. If you see in the format, you can go for it. Like how you will change the landscape to the portrait in the page setting, like that you can also set in your amount format or time and date format or language, default transactions, standard beneficiary list, or alerts. What are the alerts or the information you want or notification you want, they will provide to us. Now, challenges and issues in mobile banking. What are the challenges and issues are there in mobile banking nowadays? So customer awareness should be there. Say nowadays many people are utilizing the mobile banking, but the customers are not aware of their applications or usage or the technology. So the banks should have to give them a trial basis, or they should have to train them, and then only it can be able to for that candidate can be an eligible thing. Security issues and privacy should be there. The password should have to change once in a month or once in a week, what it may be. And the privacy thing should have to be kept private. That means no one should have to say their password for letter numbers to another one. You have to check the virus should not have to attack your mobile phone. You should have to download malware attack or antivirus software in your mobile so that it should not have to stop your transactions whenever the unnecessary things are downloaded. When you are downloading some any PDF file from the bank, some virus will also come along with that, so we have to detect it, or we have to scan it, we have to clean that. All these things we have to take it. We have to check our wireless network, the internet is there or not, or we have to recharge it or not. All these things you have to be there. Risk in SMS mobile banking. Sometimes there will be a risk in SMS mobile banking. Some other person, the hackers can hack your mobile banking. Authentication issues will be there. You have to be very careful. Mitigation and solution of issues like customers education awareness. How much customer is aware of his education, either he is able to use this app or not, or some other people will go for the misuse or not. Or what about his trust, whether he is able to trust us or we are able to trust him or not. What is about privacy issues? All these things will come under the challenges and issues in mobile banking. So you have to be very careful while applying all these terms. Now we'll go for some advantages of mobile banking. What are the advantages of mobile banking? It is in time saving. It is very convenient to one and all. It is very secure, easy access to your finance, in increase efficiency, and fraud reduction will also be there. See, with the help of mobile banking, what you will do, you are saving your time. No need to go and stand in a big queue in the bank to withdraw the amount or for transferring the amount. You can save your time because maybe you are in another district and your bank is in branch is in another place, so you will save the time, money and efforts. So it is very easy for you to access the mobile banking by sitting at your home or the place where you are working. It is very convenient, easy to process and access. The expert team has given the expectations of this app. That means the usage of the app has been done clearly. It is very secure. Security will be there where you have to keep it privacy, and you can access your finance easy. You can access your finance where you want to keep, where you want to upload, where you want to have it. Now increase efficiency will also be there. Fraud reduction is there, so we have to be very careful while uh, uploading or opening our account. So don't show your password or keep your security passwords in privacy. Now we'll have some disadvantage of mobile banking. It is like expensive. We have to upload the data. Amount should be there in our mobile, that means in the internet, so that it can easily accessible. Data can be hacked by hackers, or account hacking can be takes place. Consumer need that means it is consumed. Our mobile phone will consume more battery in the mobile while we are doing the mobile or banking. Particular and unique antivirus is not there for a new any app. What are the new things are coming? So we have to be to dissolve or hack our account. Some people can utilize any kind of antivirus they will issue. We have to be very careful before opening any kind of links. So chances are there that our app or our device can get corrupted, or it can be installed with a number of viruses where it is not able to easily access. Spamming will take place, phishing will take place. All these things, so that means fraud things will be there. People will say something and other it will happen. They'll send an wrong emails IDs, or the fraud sites will be taken, comes in your account. So you should not have to click it, you should not open, or you'll get some wrong calls like please send one time, we are calling from HDFC Bank or XYZ Bank where your account will be there, and they'll say that we are calling you from so and so bank. Just you are having a problem in your account, or just they'll say we are going to verify your number. It is right or wrong. Please tell the one-time password which we have sent you. Once you are giving it back, they will hack or they will theft the amount which is there in your uh, bank. So you have to be very careful all these things. So chances are there that it will be having uh, the disadvantages of mobile banking also. Now we'll go for the second topic, that is mobile ticketing. See, some people want to go and have to check, see the cinema, or some people want to go in the airways or railways where in an emergency they will not able to purchase the tickets. But when you are having the mobile ticketing, when already you have processed, just simply you have to show the soft copy. It's enough for us. Nowadays, this mobile ticketing has become a very good effective result in the transportation as well as in the entertainment department. Mobile ticketing is a process where by customers can order, pay for or obtain and or validate tickets using mobile phones without the need of a physical ticket. Sometimes what is happening in the olden days, if the ticket got torn or theft or got wet with the water or some other liquid items, so you will chances are there that you will miss the unique number or the ticket number, so it will not go. But here in this mobile ticketing, what will happen, a mobile ticket consists of a unique ticket verification, that is called QR code. A barcode will be there, just the machine will scan it and they will approve your ticket, mobile ticketing. So mobile tickets reduce the production and distribution of costs connected with the traditional paper based ticketing channels and increase customers convenience by providing a new and simple way to purchase tickets. So what is happening, it is very useful for, it is playing like an eco friendly for its time being. In the paper ticket you need a paper, but whereas this mobile ticketing is saving your time, and it is very helpful for the big organizations in connecting with the traditional paper ticketing channels and increase customer convenience. It is very convenient as everyone nowadays are carrying a cell phones. Everything is there in the mobile itself only. They are booking the ticket, they are having the mobile ticketing, just they are showing in the immigration department while they are going from one country to another country or from one state to another state, and this is workable and it is working. Now if you see here on the screen, this is called your mobile ticketing. A barcode will come here, just the machine will scan it and it will show all your requirements and it is going to pay. What are the things will be there? Who is the person, that means your bank details, who with how much amount did he paid, what the city has booked, what is name, age, from which place to which place he want to travel. Every details will be there in that barcode and in that PDF file. Now a new technology called mobile ticketing delivers tickets right to your cell phone. What is providing this mobile ticket? It is providing a ticket to your cell phone. In the olden days, we need to stand in a line or a queue and we have to give the paper currency and our notes and we have to take it back. But nowadays, no need to stand in a line, just online only we can book the ticket before and we can go and catch the train, bus, plane, what it may be mode of transportation, or sometimes entertainment like pubs or cinemas, theater, ticket, you can go for it. Now these tickets arrives as a text message with a special barcode. What's happening, no need of, you no need to take out the printout for it, just the barcode system will come in your message in a, as a text message will become in a form of a barcode. When you show up at that event, you will scan the barcode and you are in the door, you will get the acceptations will be there from other person. If you see here the mobile, it is very easy that how the mobile is added, that he is scanning and admit one, so per ticket, per event, per person. Now mobile ticket requirements, what are the requirements are there? For mobile phone PDF, you will receive one email with one PDF per event, so that will be connected and you will get the connection within that. Now for passbook, you will receive one email with a file attachment for each ticket order. When you are having a passbook, you will receive one mail will be there, and with one mail you will get one file attachment for each ticket order. How many tickets you have ordered, you will get one file attachment. Each ticket contains a unique barcode that is scanned at the event. Whenever you are going, that will be scanned. software and hardware requirement is there for mobile ticketing requirements. And iPad, note one important note is there, iPad do not support passbook regardless of I operating system version, unless until if you don't have the mobile ticketing is different, iPad is different. In the iPad mobile, it won't access your mobile ticketing. So be careful while going for the mobile ticketing. Only your network internet provided protocol mobile banking and mobile ticketing will works for your thing, not iPad. Now, what is the procedure for buying a mobile ticket? That is very important. First, you have to select the venue and event. Then you have to select the quantity, how many tickets you want, one, two. You have to confirm your seats. You have to deliver. Delivery will be there of the method. Confirmation will be there from the new customers, from the customer. If new customer is coming, then account creation will be there, then their payment will be there, then order confirmation will be there. Once the order confirmation will be there, you will get the barcode in your mobile as via SMS. So this is the procedure how you are getting the mobile ticketing, so that you are saving your time, money, efforts, everything. Now, what are the benefits of mobile ticketing? It is easy to use, security will be there, reliability is there, real-time data analysis is there. It is very convenience to one and all. Security and savings will be there. So, it is very reliable nowadays. Everyone are there. No need of carrying the currency are there. So you have to be very careful while taking this. Now, what are the benefits of ticket buyer? One who is purchasing the ticket, what is the benefit for him? The following are the things which you can see on the screen. I will read once. Have a look on there. Instant delivery of mobile ticket at time of purchase. So lower fee than shipping. Individual mobile tickets can be forwarded to a friend. That means the shipping it is very less expensive. You can forward your mobile tickets to another friend. It is the delivery will be very instant, and you can have the time of purchase. Now quicker entry with no waiting in will call lines. No need to stand in lines for checking, or they will recheck it. So everything you can save, that means saving of your time and efforts. Now, what is the benefit of the event organizer? So it will reduce the call lines and staffing, real-time reporting of mobile tickets sold and checked in, guaranteed security, only one entry per barcode. Event is greener with reduced paper waste. If you see here how it is working, the barcode will be there here, and we have to just upload in the machines. See, you are booking the tickets, airways tickets you are booking. With the help of the laptop, you are booking the ticket, or the mobile you can also book it, and you are paying the amount from your bank, and you are getting the barcode or a file attachment is coming where your ticket is booked. So by this, students, I hope you have understand the topic and concern of today's class, that is the mobile banking and mobile ticketing. Please mention your roll numbers in the comment box. Have a nice day.